Hi friends! Today andito kami sa Joseon Dynasty Premium Unlimited Grill and Shabu Shabu located sa ground floor ng Central Mall Rodriguez Rizal. Ito yung rates nila. In-avail namin is unlimited grill lunch. Naka-promo sila now, 580 per head. Malaki at palinis naman yung kanilang place. Pag-upo namin, nakaserve na yung mga side dishes, kimchi, lettuce na may sauce, peanut, fish cake, toge, potato marble, dilis, beans, singkamas, ito yung kanilang cheese, yung kanilang radish, cucumber, at onion. Ito naman yung kanilang sauce, meron silang samjang, oil, at barbecue. Meron din silang steam egg at dalawang soup. Ito yung lasang tinola at isa naman is lasang seaweed. Ito na yung lahat ng meat na sinerve nila. Meron silang plain at flavored na pork, beef, chicken, at enoki. Yung cheese nila is medyo malabnaw pero okay naman yung lasa. Totoo naman na premium talaga yung kanilang meat. Pag ganitong sanju, pang favorite ko talaga is enoki, plain beef at pork lang. Masarap naman din talaga yung meat nila. May few suggestion lang ako. Sana improve pa nila yung menu ng kanilang side dish. Kasi honestly, yung cucumber, radish, fish cake, potato marble lang yung okay. Pwedeng palitan nila ng iba or replace na lang nila with a pitch of iced tea. Attentive din yung mga staff nila, isang pindot mo lang dun sa buzzer, darating naman agad. Pero sana meron man lang silang dalang paper para nasusulat nila yung mga order kasi usually sa mga refill, sa dami ng umorder sa kanila, hindi lahat nakakabisado nila. So pagbalik nila, hindi kumpleto yung mga na-order mo. Other than that, everything is okay naman. Importante, masarap at premium yung meat. So nag-enjoy pa rin kami. If you're near Montalban and gusto mong mag-sanjup, you can try this one. Heart and follow for more. Bye!